जन्म का साथ है निभाने को 100 बार में। कोई जब राह न पाए मेरे संग आए के पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। Mr. Nohar saying Travelspan and Amrals Travel, they actually have a very special message for Mr. Pandey and Mrs. Pandey. And I quote, "It's such a pleasure to have you and Mrs. Uma Pandey as our special guest at the Curry Duck and Duck Curry cooking competition in St. Martin. We are looking forward to spending so much time with both of you. You guys are very dear to us. If I had a wish, it would have been for you to be born as a Guyanese. You see, us duck curry people would have loved you so much more than the curry duck people." Well, boss, this song is dedicated to you and Mrs. Uma Pandey from all of us at Travelspan and Amrals Travel, especially Pastor Lisa and myself, Mr. Nohar. Sing. अमर है दुनिया में, प्यार कभी नहीं मरता है। प्यार अमर है दुनिया में, प्यार कभी नहीं मरता है। मौत बदल तो आती है, रुख का जलवा रहता है। जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को, 100 बार मैंने जन्म लिए। सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है, प्यार की गलियां बातों की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है। एक मनगत में किस दिन गाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू। जाए जिंदगानी आऊंगा जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को
Second place goes to Maarten Jagannath. To the reigning, the defending champion for the second consecutive year, the one and only chef, super chef, Ryan Chan.
Amazing. It was amazing. Never expected to win twice in a row. I want to thank everyone here for your support. A lot of you was behind us, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank everyone.
Everybody dance to me. मेरे प्यार की उम्र हो इतने सनम तेरे नाम से शुरू तेरे नाम पे कदम तेरी खुशी से है खुशी तेरे गम से है गम Listen, we like the Indian headlights are getting on bad. We don't know we come from Trinidad. Nothing.
Say